Hello and welcome to my studio. I'm so happy that you stopped by today. I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself. My name is Karen Brown, one of the new Hero Arts creative team members, and I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you today. I'm married, I have 2 daughters, and I live in Texas. Today I will be sharing 3 gift tags using Hero Arts' new alphabet letter fancy dies. 2 of them use Hero Arts rub-on transfers, which I just love. The third features the hole punch edges die, which I think adds so much interest to a project. I want to show you the dies and then we can get started creating. Each package has 4 to 5 dies with letters, ampersands, apostrophe, and exclamation and question marks. I love die-cut alphabets, so I'm so happy to be working with them on this project. By the way, I will list all of the products used in this video for your convenience. The alphabet possibilities are endless. For my tags, I will be using Hero Arts Nesting Tag Infinity Die Set. This die set is a real staple in my craft room. I'm also going to use this fun new die called Hole Punch Edge, which has 4 linear dies that add a lot of interest to your projects. I also use the Winter Holiday Collage Hero Transfers on my 2 cards. For my Joy to the World card, I use my compact cutter to die cut my tag and J from Paradise and Cherry Cardstock. I die cut the J 3 times so I could have a nice substantial letter at the center of my card. I also die cut a white reinforcement for the top. These dies cut beautifully and I only sent them through my machine once. I like this 3-color palette, an aqua background, then there's white at the top, red in the middle, and then we'll add a white sentiment at the bottom. It feels simple yet balanced to me. To attach my rub-on transfer, I use a bone folder. When I am done, I gently peel the backing free. This sentiment is on the 'Twas the Night sheet from the Holiday Collage Hero Transfer Kit. I use my precision glue to stack my 3 J's. I love how fun and festive this alphabet is. Perfect for Christmas and all year round. I'll definitely be using these alphabet letters a lot. Pretty cute die cut, huh? I finish the card with my reinforcement and some variegated baker's twine. To attach the twine, cut a length of baker's twine or ribbon, have it, feed it through the reinforcement from front to back, then put the ends through the loop and pull. Done! I wanted to show you how I quickly separated my dies with my metal snippers. Snip, snip, easy. On my second card, I did want to highlight this fun die accent strip. I used my craft mat to lay out 2 linear dies, and then I taped them to my Paradise card base. I next added the R, and then I die cut the panel. This time, the red is going to be recessed, which I think is a fun twist. I'm a bit slow with my gluing here. I wanted to make sure that my 2-layer tag would stay together securely, and it does feel very substantial when I'm through. I did want to mention that this is my first video as part of the Hero Arts creative team. I hope that you're enjoying it. You don't need to, But while I was gluing, I wanted to add back the D-shaped die cut to the top of my R. I finished the tag with more baker's twine. I love the bold colors and lines on this tag. Pretty cute, and I think pretty masculine. For my final card, I used rub-on transfers for my background. I didn't want to be redundant, so I edited out the steps we covered on the first two cards. I have been loving image rub-on transfers, and Hero Arts has lots in their store. I added a triple stacked bead die cut plus a white background tag. I hope you enjoyed these projects. See you next time.